Hi my friends, I'm Antonios again. Let's move on with our application with jokes. In this video lesson we will get the category of the jokes that we want from the menu to general. We set a put extra here with the list item, which is the category of the jokes that we want, and then we start the activity to my class my class is jokes general. Okay, so let's go to jokes general to get the ident, to get the extra from the ident that we sent. So the first thing that we have to do is to set an ident here, control space, and we will name it let's name it ident with lower letters. Okay, if you need to import, you know the way, and in here we will use the variable that we said before, the ident, and this will be equal with get ident. Okay, and we need a variable, string variable here, which we will name it a jokes category. Okay, and this will be equal with the intent variable, and the method get string extra. We need this one, and the name is cut as we set it in the menu class. So, and now we will set to variable Kate set text char sequence the jokes category. So let's try to see what we have done so far. Control S to save, and we zoom it out and run to see the result. So when we click to one of the categories that we want, let's say school, we're gonna have the title here as you see it, school. If we go back, we go to technology, the technology here. So we have the category that we want for the jokes into jokes general class in this variable. Now we have to create a new method in use jokes database so we can get the title of the jokes that we want. So in here, let's zoom it, we'll create the method that we want. So let's move on to create the method. Public string get jokes title. We need two parameters. The first one will be int, let's name it s, and the second string we'll name it cut. Okay, open brackets, click enter. I think the error here is we have to create a return statement. We will fix it later. Let's create another string here for the results, and this will be equal with a null string, semicolon to close it. And we need another variable, a cursor variable, name it C, and this will be equal with our database. Let's copy it from here, from this method that we have. So we can copy it from here, Control C, and paste it here. Okay, our database query with our database and columns. Okay, now we need the int variables for each of our fields. I row first, and this will be equal with variable C column in text. So from the column here we will take the key row ID, which is the first field. The second one, int my title, in the same way will be equal with C get the column in text string. We need the key row key title. Okay, now we want another one for the category int. Let's name it I cut, and this will be again equal with c dot get column in text the category of the joke, which is in key tags. Okay, that's nice. We continue, we move on. Now we have to set the c variable, the cursor must to move to position that we want, the position s, which is the parameter that we send when we call this method. So the cursor must be to this position, to s position. And if the cursor move to this position, we have to check if the category, the cut with a dot content equals with char sequence, and in here we have to use the c get string for I cut. C variable get the string we need for the category variable, int variable, this one. Okay, if the category that we want, which is the parameter here, content equals to c get string I cut, which is the field of category key tags in our database, then we want to results be equal to c dot get string, as we did it before with what we need the title. Okay, close with semicolon, and I think we are okay from here. Let's create a return statement to get rid of the error, and we will return the results. Okay, that's it guys for this lesson. In the next one we will set the list with the titles of our jokes. Have a nice day and see you back again. Bye.